Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Movie Servo AF option on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing on the menu button, and then we're going to select the AF section and then subsection number 3 by using 4 of these buttons to navigate through the menus. So once you've selected the option that you want, press set, and here you can either enable or disable Movie Servo AF. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the menu by pressing the menu button, and the options will be automatically saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.